Hi, I'm Peter, your jewelry craft assistant. Today I'll be showing you how I'm making this yellow gold diamond wedding ring. I begin by alloying the 14K yellow gold. I am rolling the metal until I get a square bar. I am annealing it every few feet through and then proceed to rolling it to 4mm wide flat bar. I am cutting desired length of metal and bending it to the ring shape with a half-round pliers. As I am going to set diamonds in it, this piece is quite thick, therefore requires a lot of force to be bent. I am soldering the joint and then I get rid of excess solder. I am making the ring perfectly round by hitting it around it with a hammer whilst it's put on the main drill. I am marking out spots 0.1mm apart from each other for diamonds to sit in. I am drilling the holes for stones, slowly going up with the sizes of the drills I'm using, until the holes are about 70% of stone's diameter. I am removing excess material from the bottom of the holes with a hard burr. I am expanding holes diameter with a ball burr. With a saw blade, I am creating a little notch to start forming the prongs. I am following up same task with a cone phrase. I am placing stones in their seats. I am setting the stones in place with a beading tool. I am finished polishing the ring with a rouge. A total of almost 1 carat of diamonds is hard to miss with the amount of sparkle these stones produce. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and in case of any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comment sections. Bye.